Okay, so for our project, we are developing a website for Tailgate Company, and our team's name is Code Catalyst. And the roles of our members, I'm Blessing Kote, and I'm the Scrum Master and the GitHub Manager. And for Philip Anaman, he's the Development Operations Lead and Backend Developer. And for Edu Fanuel, he's the Front-End Developer and QA Lead. And Fafali Ajokache is the Documentation and Demo Lead. Jaunyaku is the Submission and Meeting Coordinator. Okay, so for the project statement, Tailgate Company is a forward-thinking tech startup focused on delivering tailored digital solutions to businesses and individuals. Their services include web development, mobile app development, UI and UX design. And so our goal for this project is to design, develop, and deploy a modern, scalable, and user-friendly website that effectively showcases Qubit services. Okay, so the objectives of this project is number one, create a responsive, secure, and scalable website for Tailbit. The second is to showcase services, portfolio, and company information effectively. And the third is to provide a functional contact and inquiry form. The fourth is to ensure smooth navigation and optimize performance. And the last one is to design with a modern professional look. Okay, so
I'm Edufano, and my role is to develop the front end. And right now we are talking about SRS highlights. That's software requirement specification highlights. Functional requirements, service listing with details, contact form to submit inquiries, admin dashboard for content management, non-functional requirements, scalability, reliability, security and maintainability. The backlog overview. So this table summarizes the key tasks for Sprint 2, showing their IDs, description, status, and back and front end documentation and testing work. So demonstration and agile board. Yeah.
Okay, so my name is Gerald and I'm presenting on the demonstration and agile board. So we have here the first two screenshots indicating our website, and this shows the homepage and about of our website. And on the next screenshot, we can see our agile board, which is on GitHub. So you can also find our GitHub repository link on the screen. Okay, so here again you can see our agile matrix showing the sprint 1 burn down chart and sprint 2 burn down chart. So the velocity of sprint 2 is 13 story points completed, and the reflections good backend front end integration, high testing coverage, but need more time for style and tags into smaller parts. Velocity of sprint 1, 8 story points completed, reflections, solid project setup, but limited functional progress of the.
Yeah. So I'm Fafali Ajokache, BC, and my role for this project is documentation and demo lead. This is the UML class diagram. It demonstrates how core system entities are organized for modular, modularity and scalability. This is the C4 diagram. Yeah, so the C4 diagram provides a clear high level view of our system structure. showing how different components, front end, back end, database, and external services interact within the overall architecture.
Okay, so I'm Philip and I'm the back-end developer for Code Catalyst. And then I'll be talking about the entity relationship diagram, ERD, and data flow diagram. The ERD ensures data consistency and efficient storage. The DFD helps visualize how data moves through the system. And the high level architecture diagram, the application, the back-end API, which is the business logic, and then the authentication, and then the data layer, which is the database, which includes users, inquiry services, and blog posts. It improves maintainability, security, and scalability. Okay, so the challenges we face during the project were synchronizing tasks between team members, adjusting backlog items to fit sprint goals. Lessons we learned were clearer task allocation speeds up delivery. Yeah, that's like when everyone knows what they are doing, it speeds up the project and then it helps us with efficiency. And then frequent check-ins improves project progress tracking. Next steps. What we'll do next is to do the admin dashboard completion deployment and then prepare for client feedback and final release. That's when we submit the final project. Thank you.